Thank you for buying this laundry basket from Fixture Displays. This is a really nice one-piece molded laundry basket. It measures about 16 inches long, 11 inches deep, and 11 inches tall. Weighs about 1.5 pounds, is fairly lightweight to handle, flexible, and is an excellent piece, easy to clean, easy to carry, and holds a large amount of clothes. If you have multiple baskets, you can stack them easily as well with or without clothing. As you can see, this is half full and holds a dozen t-shirts easily. So it has a good capacity. The rims are soft. It's very easy to handle. Definitely a great addition to put in your laundry room, your bedroom, to keep your laundries neatly organized. If any questions, email us cs@fixturedisplays.com. Do like us, subscribe, remember leave a good seller feedback and product review. Thank you.